can't accept the loss, I'm hard-headed. There's a little bit of madness to my method. Many falling off that fine line that I'm treading. I risk anything to be great, and I'm not letting nobody rob me of my victory. Number one, that's what I'm meant to be. When by any means, only thing that makes sense to me, I can make nice or make history. I got that dog in me, yeah. Turn me up, big energy, got the crowd going nuts. I got that dog in me, yeah. Any up, I take on anyone, I don't need a one-on-one. I got that dog in me, yeah. I'm talking all bite, no bark, I could rip your squad apart. I got that dog in me, so what's up?
My name is Touge. This is my 1999 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 6 Tommi Mäkinen edition. I got this car back in 2011. The Lancer Evolution has always been a dream car in my childhood. I remember my friend pulled up in an Evo VI GSR back when I was in high school. All I had was jealousy all over my face. So I decided to search for one. It was a long journey. At the time, to have a Tommi Mäkinen was a lot of money, but luckily enough, I had found one in North Shore Prestige Motors through Ben. It did take me 3 months to get the price down from 26 Rand to 23. After purchasing the car, that's when the modding plan comes. I used to watch a lot of Initial D and Best Motoring, and Touge racing really inspired me. So the build is inspired by all of that. For the engine, I've chosen the HKS 2.3 stroker kit, which is a stage 2. I've chosen it because the HKS CT230R was another inspiration. For the cylinder head, I've chosen Jun 272 solid cams, Jun Type 2 titanium retainers, Jun valve spring, Tommi 1mm oversized valves, and Tommi solid lifters. I'm running a GT Pump 762 turbo with a titanium turbine wheel because I'm chasing response and not power. For the piping, the car came with HKS Kansai intercooler piping. It's got a MAP performance exhaust manifold, HKS dump and front pipe, a SARD 250 cell cat, and an Amuse R1 Titan catback. For handling mods, I'm running Zeal Function X hard spring version. I've chosen that because it's mostly street driven. For strut braces, I'm using carbine 3-point front with Breakmaster cylinder stopper and 4-point re. For the bodywork, I've chosen the Varis full catalog kit, which includes the 30mm oversized fenders on all 4 corners, the Varis front bar with the version 1 full carbon diffuser and canards, carbon bonnet, carbon roof, carbon boot, and full carbon GT wing. Other exterior parts includes Ganador mirrors with blue lens and the CB headlights. Both these parts were probably the hardest to find. I remember searching through Yahoo auctions for the CB headlights for years. Luckily, one set did come across but unfortunately, I didn't have the money for them at the time. Thanks to Nick Way from IS Motor Racing, he helped me acquire them. For the drivetrain, it's got an Evo 9 RS gearbox with a HKS 4.111 final drive. I'm running a CARS front LSD and a Cusco rear LSD. You would notice I have color matched the carbon bonnet, roof and boot just to give it a clean look. For the interior, I've got two Bride Z3 Japan seats. One of them is autographed by Tsuchiya himself. And for the passenger seat, it's autographed by Tsuchiya, Nobuteru Tanaguchi, under Suzuki and Tarzan Yamada. For the front, you will notice the old school Power FC hand controller. Yes, the car is run by Power FC. For steering wheel, I'm using a Nardi deep dish. I've got a Beat Rush short shifter and a HKS EVC5 boost controller. Lastly, I'd like to take this opportunity to say thanks to Indy and Nick from IS Motor Racing for looking after me and building this car for the past 12 years. I'd like to say thank you to Taki and Ritsuko from Perfect Run for supplying all the JDM parts throughout the 13 years. I'd like to say thank you to CJ Motor, Jackie, for supplying me the full Varis kit for a good price and the bride seats. And I'd like to say thank you to Gilbert Restoration for carrying out the panel work, fitting the body kit and a full respray. Thank you.
Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Please let me know if you'd like to see more of these featured in the future. I'm on the hunt for unique builds throughout Sydney, so do let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.